Feeling locked out of your Instagram account? Don't worry, we'll get you back in. Let's start with the basics. First, let's make sure the phone number linked to your Instagram is correct. Go to your profile, then settings, then account, and personal information to double check. Even a single incorrect digit can cause the SMS code to fail. Next, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi signal or mobile data. Try toggling between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if it helps. If you can, open another app to test your connection. Still no code? Sometimes a simple restart helps. Turn off your phone completely, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This can resolve minor software issues. Request the code again, and give it a few minutes. Also, check if your phone carrier is blocking messages from Instagram by contacting your provider, and don't forget to turn off Do Not Disturb mode in case it's preventing the SMS. If you are still stuck, it's time to contact Instagram support. Look for a help or support option within the Instagram app or in your browser. Search for SMS code issues and follow the prompts to submit a report. Be patient and provide any necessary proof of ownership, and they should be able to get you back in.